Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video we'll try to do English speaking practice because it's the most important. So yesterday I took 30 days of speaking English challenge and today is the second. So that's why today I just want to tell you one thing which is very important, which is really help you to improve English communication. So your problem is like you are able to speak in English, but freeze the moment you don't able to speak, or when freeze the moment you don't able to communicate with someone. So this video is perfectly for you. So before dive into today's session, I just want to tell you, watch this video till the end, because in this video I will definitely tell you something real and something very important. So let's get started. Okay, because you know what, everybody they have same mindset, because everyone they want to improve English, but I think a lot of beginners or a lot of strangers they are making the same mistake, and that's why they don't fix it. Because when it's come to speak in English, you just try to convert one sentence into another sentence, or I think sometimes you just try to convert maybe your native language to our English language, right? And that's why maybe you don't able to resolve this problem, right? uh, i I can understand actually the problem what happening with you, because when it's come to speak English, you don't have the topic, which is what type of topic that I can make, or whatever thing that I can make, and lot of something. But when it's come to speak, you're totally blank at that time, because you're repeating the same mistake over and over. You don't able to convert this language. It's not converting thing like that. Okay, because when it's come to speak, or when it's come to watch something, at that time you have to just understand what happening there. You don't need just mug up and translate in our native language, right? So I think these mistake a lot of beginners, a lot of strangers they are repeating, and that's why they don't able to speak English. Okay, as a simple method, I would say. Okay, and you know what, guys? If you genuinely want to improve your English, so you don't need any inspirational video or any inspiration, any motivation, because you know what? When you start your work very excitedly, and you know that I have to do this thing because I want to become ABC, whatever. Okay, so that time you know what exactly you want, and what exactly thing that you have to do, what exactly thing uh, that you have to work on it actually. Okay, uh, I would say motivation and inspiration, whatever that you like sometimes. Okay, a lot of people they are try to speak like I like motivation, I like motivational video, I like inspirational stories and whatever. But one thing is very harsh truth that I want to tell you here. Motivation is comes and goes, because it's not a steady thing. That it's not, and it's not working on the end. Because when you are very interested, when you are very we can say you in very enthusiastic, so that time you you can try to watch. But when you follow discipline as well, when you follow some dedication, after that you don't need any motivation. Because motivation is not a fixed time, motivation is not fixed thing which is always with you, and which will always motivation and like that. We are human beings, and we are not always happy, we are not always we are not always inspire motivation, right? Motivation, like you don't feel motivation every time. Okay, and that time discipline is very work at that particular period. Whatever thing that you are doing, discipline and dedication is very important. You sometimes people they feel very excited and very motivation, that time they just try to start our journey from scratch, from basic level, whatever they try. And after the long period they suddenly stop, and they suddenly give up. Because motivation, after long period, motivation is not fixed, or motivation is not like a guaranteed thing. It's permanent for with us, right? Because you have to start the work itself. Okay, you have to put effort itself, and after motivation will work, I would say. Because otherwise motivation is not permanent thing. At the same time when it's come to speak English, you don't need a lot of motivation, a lot of inspiration video. Okay, if you have the attitude, if you have learning attitude, no, in the next 6 months. And you know what, guys, I genuinely telling you here, whatever thing that you want to learn in the 6 month is a long it's a long time. During 6 months you can do anything. Okay, if you want to improve English skill, if you want to become a xyz, and if you want to become a software engineer, if you want to become a good communicator, whatever you want, you just try to practice on it over and over, do the same thing. In the 6 months is a long period and you can achieve anything that you want. Okay, because you don't need a lot of years and lot of time period. Okay, when you fix a deadline, actually whatever you do or whatever you've done already, you need actually a deadline. When you follow deadline or discipline as well dedication, you will definitely able to grow something, your mindset will change, your attitude, your learning attitude, everything will change when you grab this, when you focus on that particular work, one particular thing. So that's why you don't need anything else. You want just, you know uh, you have to put just your input. Okay, and it's a very impressive thing that when it's come to speak English very actively, when it's come to speak fluently, at that time you'll feel very confident because it's not normal thing, maybe in India, 20 to 30% people are just able to speak English or understand English. Maybe 70 to 75% of people, they cannot understand English or they cannot speak English in a single statement, because our background, certain period, time duration, and at a long time we don't able to speak because our background and atmosphere as well, I would say. So that's why we don't able to speak, and maybe behind this reason people they don't able to speak. And that's why, no matter what is your age, like you are 20 plus, you are 30 plus, you are 50 plus, whatever, you have learning attitude as well, like I want to learn this language for itself, okay, for themselves. So you don't need whatever people they think, you just need our mindset, like I want to become a fluent English speaker, and to start whatever. Your English is like a beginner level, you don't able to speak, just try to listen something and speak, like no matter what kind of sentence you learn and you can speak, but just try to speak something. And that's why in previous video I already uh, I already told in previous video what is the main thing which is very helpful to speak English. That means the shadowing practice. Okay, so you can watch, you can go there and you can check out, because shadowing practice is also very important when it's come to follow someone. At that time you can gain some knowledge, grab something, uh, s- uh, you know grab something knowledge in that video or someone, so you can do easily. Okay, that's what I'm telling you. And you know what, you don't need anything else, you don't need something or sources like how I can improve my English, how I can build my English communication. Just try to repeat, and no matter what kind of people they judge us or not, don't need. Okay, just try to speak, speak much more and more, okay, over and over. So yeah, uh, that is the thing which is I wanted to tell you. And stop this making mistake, because you're translating your native language, or native language into English, or English into native language. So stop making this, just try to understand whatever you understand, just try to repeat and grab knowledge. That's it. It's a very simple trick that you can learn. And today's weather is also good. You can see flower, you can see here flower, you can see, mm, flower is as well very much better.